If you're over 40, I'm guessing that you have some aches and pains cropping up in your body, or you know someone who's suffering and you want to help them out. Things like plantar fasciitis, knee pain, hip pain, shoulder, neck, all of these things start to crop up as we age because the fascia begins to become unhealthy. When our fascia is dense and stuck, it becomes very unpliable, very plasticky in the body, and the muscles have trouble moving within it. As a result, we experience pain and stiffness and also other health conditions because the energy flows through the fascia. I want to help you to feel better in your body again, like I do. I'm now 53 and my joints feel great again like they did in my 30s, and I want to give this to you. I used to have so much pain in my neck, shoulder, SI joint. I couldn't sit like this. Now I can. I have more flexibility, better immunity, better digestion, great energy. So link through and learn about Fascia FLO because you're going to experience something that you haven't ever experienced in movement, and it's going to help you feel better, remove aches and pains, have a whole new sense of vitality.